cupcake stand. This woodland style decor has 3 tiers and is made of a strong quality cardboard. It has a very kind of rustic feel to it that could go with a variety of different celebrations, whether you're doing it indoors or outdoors. It really has this fun lumberjack kind of western, maybe even slightly animal theme to it. So the product dimensions are 11 by 8 in length, 11.8 in width, and 13.3 inches in height. And you can see to assemble it, it is super easy. You basically just slide each piece into itself, and then you're pretty good to go. It also will be easy to unassemble if you're wanting to flatten it down or to take it somewhere, and makes a great display piece. You can see here I've done a few desserts on here. Wide range of applications, whether it's for a birthday, baby shower, or a themed party.